Bilash, the president of the Human Rights Association Atatürk in Kazakhstan, has been released from custody. According to Kazakh media, China is responsible for the arrest of Bilash, who is now still under surveillance despite his release. Unlawful arrests in occupied East Turkestan still are on the agenda. The Chinese police arrested Hamdullah Abdurrahman, a rare specialist in the field of Old Turkic runic writing. He also wrote books on the Uyghur language and literature. At a conference in Berlin, the issue of East Turkestan was debated. There were numerous visitors, including a delegation from the Uyghur World Congress, German MPs, and Ömer Bekali, an activist who reported from his 8-month detention in a re-education camp. Also in Munich, East Turkestan was involved in an Uyghur event. The presidents of Turkey and India, Erdogan and Modi, exchanged views on the mutual relations of their countries, as well as on the Indo-Pakistani conflict. The French Parliament has approved a parliamentary agreement with Germany. Accordingly, a joint parliament should be established. If the German Parliament agrees with the arrangement, the first joint meeting will take place on the 25th March in Paris.